Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to remove Facebook account restrictions. If your Facebook account has restrictions, it may limit posting or other features. You can remove these by verifying your identity and reporting the issue to Facebook. This helps restore full access to your account safely. First, open the Facebook application on your mobile device. Now, tap on your small profile photo at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Here, tap on the three dots. Next, tap on Profile Status and review the current account restrictions. Now, go back and tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Here, tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. This section allows you to manage all your account details. Inside Settings, tap on Account Center, scroll down and tap on Personal Details. Now, tap on Identity Confirmation. Here, you'll need to confirm your identity by following the on-screen instructions. After confirming your identity, go back to the menu and tap on Help and Support. Next, tap on Report a Problem. Here, you can report the restriction issue to Facebook, providing all necessary details. This will start the review process, and Facebook will lift the restriction once your account is verified. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.